Hello, it's Michael Gaffney again, the Flower Man, here talking about flowers today and how easy it is to design with flowers. Of course, I've been doing this for over 25 years. I have schools all around the country, 15 cities in America and 3 in Europe, and I can do a bouquet in about 3 minutes. This one we did yesterday on a video, using my invention from QVC called Flower Crazy. Comes with 3 different lids that lets you decide which lid you want to use depending on the size of your stems. You snap it on. It's like a reverse frog, but these are perfectly beveled. You can't see it. They angle the acrylic so it tilts your flowers. And you cut them all one length and you pop them into a hole on the lid, and this is what happens in 3 minutes. A nice, pretty, this is Asiatic lilies, Dusty Miller, Grevillea, and a little hypericum berry. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Flower design is easy if taught properly. The last video I just gave you the 10 top wedding flowers to use, the workhorses I call them. They're going to hold up every time you use them. Now I'm going to give you secrets to selling a wedding to a bride. You're going to learn how to design. I've got a new program out called the Ultimate Online Wedding Design Course to go with my Ultimate Online Floral course. These are not YouTube videos. These are not anything else you see online. I know I teach very specifically and very different. Why? Because my students have gone to classes before mine and after mine and said, "You're the king." I said, "Why?" Well, this is why. You taught like no one else taught. I spent 25 years studying this design principle, this design form, and I have what I call the Vinci Code of flower design. This is all based on simple math, geometry, and architecture. You don't just play with flowers and create. No, I'm giving you what the human eye likes to see, and that's what it took me many, many years, really 12 years of studying, to realize when people look at something, what makes them go, "Oh my God," as opposed to, "Oh, that's pretty, Michael. I really like it." So that bugged me. I wanted them crying every time. So I figured out what makes them cry. So learn how to design and learn how to design well. How do you keep a bride? I'm going to give you 4 tips. And again, we're giving away free courses to the Ultimate Online Wedding Design class. And but here's part of that video. Some of the tips to remember when selling a bride is, number 1, you must take control of the situation. Do not give them 100 books to look at. They will be there all day going, "Oh, I like this one. Julie, which one do you like?" No, you steer that horse all the way around the racetrack to the finish line. Number 2, you must sell them what they don't probably realize. I would say 85% of my brides have no clue what they ordered from me 3 to 6 months later when they're going down that aisle. So you have to use your knowledge, which you're going to learn from my courses, on what to suggest, because they will suggest overly priced, unavailable, ugly flowers and bouquets that are going to wilt before you even get to the aisle. They're going to pick lilies of the valley in December. They're going to pick, odd things that aren't available and cost. You can have them flown in, but they're going to cost $300 for a little handful that big. So you must control the sale when you're selling a wedding. Ask her for her opinion. Tell her, what does she like? What's your vision of her wedding? And 90% of all brides in 15 cities and for 30 years say, "Well, I love roses." And then they stare at you. And then you begin designing their wedding. After all, it's my wedding. Oh, I'm sorry, your wedding. Oops, sorry. And